Extend.
I promise God and myself that I will build him a church in his honor. Yes. First, as a tribute to our parents and their pioneers in spreading the very transformative gospel in our area, but also thank God for sparing my life, as I said.
So I want to really thank the Honorable Sam Kutesa for building this church because of those two reasons which he told you. Because it is important for the new people to know the history, where we came from. So this church is like a symbol, a reminder, because we shall not be there, we shall go away, but if somebody writes what has happened today here and puts it on record, the future generations will know why this church was built and also add on their own additions.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.